Ngibingelele uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi mfowethu masokhumbula ngo-2011 wavezwa uGedleyihlekisa uNxamalala esawumengameli impromota from being Major General to being a Lieutenant General ngoba efuna ukuthi awuvala i-acting position ye-commissioner yamaphoyisa eyayiphethe uBhekicele ngaleso sikhathi ngenxa yokuthi uBhekicele wayithinteka emalini yokulizwa ecaleni lokuliza ibhilidi lamaphoyisa. So wambeka eceleni-ke wapromota uLieutenant Mkhwanazi ukuthi angene lapho. uMkhwanazi wekade i-Major General ngaleso sikhathi wampromota special ukuthi abe Lieutenant General ngoba efuna ukuyovala leso sikhala. Kwakukhona abantu abalakho 20 abebebheke ukungena kuleso sikhala. So akubanga lula nakungena ngoba umsholozi wabhekana ney'nkinga ey'ningi, ukukhuluma kude bemgxeka left right and center ngenxa yokuthi how can you appoint umuntu with no experience whatsoever ngoba lo muntu wayengazi ngisho ukwaziwa as just an unknown, uyabo. So kodwa-ke wayithatha i-risk umsholozi ngoba eboneni i-potential kaMkhwanazi wambeka laphaya. So ngiyakule nto ukuthi singadla amandla kamsholozi sithi Mkhwanazi umuntu uvezwe ejiyeni. No. Le nto iphuma kude ngumsholozi madoda. Msholozi umazi kahle, i-potential yakhe uyazi kahle kusuka brew.